Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a customizable avatar for either your web page or your blog or whatever it may be. Now once you have this avatar customized, you can embed it into those areas. Also, you can customize it in terms of how it looks and in terms of what it says. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you're going to want to do, by the way, this is all free. You go to voki.com. It's right here. It's voki.com. Once you get there, it probably makes sense to go ahead and create an account. Again, it's totally free. You just set your email and your password. You can go to start here at the top. It says My Voki, create and play. What you want to do is create an avatar. So I'm going to click create. Okay, now that talking you hear, that's just an advertisement. That's one way that this company makes its money, since it's not getting money on paid subscriptions. Anyway, over here you have customize your character, give it a voice, background, players, cancel, and publish. First thing you want to do is customize your character. So click first this little head here. Now there's a lot of different things you can do here in terms of what your avatar is going to be. It can be an animal, it can be a person. So right now I'm going to select, I'll just go to politics. Now once I click on politics, you have all these faces. Some of them you probably know. You have Giuliani, Kerry, you have the president. Let's just go with the president. Once you click that, then it's going to appear on the left hand side. So now you're beginning to customize his avatar. Now from here you can customize the clothing that the person has on, as well as the jewelry, as well as the lips, mouth, nose, body, height, and width. So let's go to we'll click here the mouth. Once you click what type of mouth you want the avatar to have, it'll go ahead and appear on the picture, and from there you can make adjustments. I'm making adjustments right now on the left hand side with the mouth. Okay, let's go to Bling. Bling is where you can put glasses on the individual or the avatar, and you can put jewelry on the avatar. So I'll click those type of glasses. Click the little diamond. Just if this is for wearing a necklace on your avatar, I'll put a necklace here. Okay, so I don't know, for some reason the necklace didn't appear. Let's try a different one here. Maybe because he's wearing a suit. At any rate, let's look on the left hand side. You can customize the size of the nose, the body, size of the body, the height. As you can see, all these things are moving around. The width. Okay, so once you've done all that, you've dealt with what person you want to use, the head, the clothing, the jewelry. You can go ahead and close that portion of it. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to set the background. If you look down here, just click backgrounds. And again, you have several backgrounds to choose from. I'll choose the religious background. And let me just pick another one just so you can see it change. There you go. Okay, so once you've got the background done, also, let me just mention, you can also use your own background that you saved either on your desktop or on a hard drive. So let me go ahead and close that. Okay, now probably the most important thing is you're going to give it a voice. Now you can do that by recording by phone. You could do text to speech. You could do a microphone that's hooked to your computer, as well as upload an audio file that already exists. I'm going to do text to speech. Now if you do text to speech, it's going to be a generic voice that's already uploaded here. So I'll put my name is Preston. Once you set that, you can play it and hear it.
My name is Preston.
And also the avatar talks. I mean, it actually moves his mouth as it's saying what you've told to say. Now you can set this in various different languages, as well as you can change the voices. For instance, I'll select a different voice this time and click play.
My name is Preston.
Okay, so there you have it. Once you set the voice and the language, you go ahead and click done. Now the next thing you want to do is you can select players. Now players is basically how you want the player to look once it's embedded into your website or your blog or whatever. So I'll click the gray one here, and then it appears on the bottom. If I click red, the entire screen turns red. So you can see how that is. And click done. Okay, so we've customized the character, we've given it a voice, we've selected the background. Now you want to go ahead and publish. So I'll click publish. You give it a name, and then you save it. Just waiting for it to save here. Once you've done that, you can either add it to your site, you can send it to a friend, you can send it to a mobile, or you can have, actually this is just games. You can also select the size of the player, small, medium, large, how you want it to look embedded in your site or your blog or whatever. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy the code here, copy the entire code, and then you paste it into your website. Now if you're using iWeb, which is what I use, I'm going to open iWeb really quick here and show you. But it works with any software. It doesn't have to be iWeb. Whatever you're using to create your website, your blog, whatever it may be. Just wait for iWeb to load here. Once iWeb loads, I'm going to show you what it looks on my actual site here. Okay, so this is how it loads on a web page. This is what my avatar looks like. The only bad side about this is that when you go to the website, you have to click the play button. It doesn't automatically play, so that's not that good, but I mean, I can deal with that. Now, if you were using iWeb, what you would do is you add HTML snippet to whatever page it is, and then you copy and paste that code I just showed you right into here. Once you do that, it's going to embed it into whatever page you're on. So let's close this, delete that. Okay, now let me just show you the finished product here. If I open my own website, which is, by the way, please check it out, tacticalforceinc.com. I'll include the link to my website in the description. So here you go. This is mine, completely done. Once you click on the site, this is the first page you want to go to. If you want to bypass it, then you just click right here. So right now, I'll click play and let you listen to it.
Hello, I'm Preston Johnson, President of Tactical Force Incorporated. Thank you for expressing interest in our company. Please take a look at all of our capabilities within the security industry. We pride ourselves on having some of the most experienced.
Okay, so there you go, guys. That is how you add a customizable avatar completely free of charge to your website or your blog or whatever it may be. If you guys got any question about that program, which is called Voki, our application, please let me know. I'll include the link to the website in the description of the video. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.